Okay, so I have this new car seat. My reborn doll fits really perfectly in it. I'll show you her. She's super cute, but her bottle's in there. But this is the best car seat. It's really easy to unbuckle it, like, oh, kind of hard, but it's really pink. It looks like really, like, salmon pink in this, but sorry if you hear any background noises, they're my siblings. But, like, it's really easy to unbuckle with 2 hands, especially the bottom buckles. She fits perfectly. I think it's about, like, 21 inches, because my doll is 20 inches, and she's up to here on it. So I bet it's, like, 20 inches per doll, so I don't recommend adding 28 inches or 23 inches or any higher than that. But this is really cute, so I definitely do recommend this. It's really soft, has a little wording there. It also comes with some straps, but I will not be showing that yet. But here's the car seat. I really love it. Bye-bye.
I got one thing to show you, actually. What? Be extra nimble when activating shutter handle. Extra responsibility. Read it with only the first letter of each word. Ben was here.